Open the box. 1 manual. 4 keys. 1, 2, 3, 4. For 4 receivers. 5 pieces charges. 1 piece for each receiver and transmitter. 5 antenna. The whole firing system is including 1 transmitter and 4 receivers. Each receiver has 24 channels. Put on the antenna of transmitter. The antenna is removable. If you don't need it, you can take it out. And make sure it is in the text position. Turn on the power switch of transmitter and receivers. If the no battery lamp light, it means it needs to charge. Using the charge, the green light. Another on AC. When charging, it is red lamp. Adjusting the first receiver to 0-1 district, 0-2 district. Keep the distance of receivers at least 0.5 meters. Now, adjust the transmitter to 0-1 district. Pressing first button, the memory light will get red. Pressing the first button, the single lamp on receiver will flashing. One transmitter could control 100 receivers at most. Now all adjusting to 0-0 district. Pressing button on transmitter, the 2 receivers will flashing at the same time. It means one transmitter controls 2 receivers at the same time. Now adjusting to 0-1 district. Pressing transmitter, the 2 receivers receiving single. Adjusted to 99 district. Adjusted the receivers to 99 districts too. Now pressing the button on transmitter, it means all the 99 receivers can control by this transmitter. Igniters connecting and testing. First, turn off the power. Connecting igniters to the black and the red clean. Connecting 3 channels. Turn on the power. If the testing line gets red, it means igniters connecting well. If it is not nice, you need to connecting the igniters again. Turn the safety switch to fire position. Now pressing channel 1 on transmitter. Channel 1 fire. Fire 2 channel. Fire the 3rd channel. First, make sure it is the transmitter and receivers in the same district. Now it is 0, 1 district. One hand pressing starting button on receiver, another hand pressing any button of transmitter. Now the signal lamp flashing. It means the receiver programmed the transmitter programmed the receiver successfully. Now sequential fire and firewall. Turn on the sequential button 1 to 12 channels, 30 to 24 channels, 1 to 24 channels. If you only turn on the 1 to 12 channels, it means sequential 1 to 12 channels. And if you turn on the 2 buttons, it means 24 channels or sequential 5. Adjust the sequential time to 0.2 seconds, 0.3 seconds. And if it is adjusted to 0.0, it means if you pressing the rapid button, all the 24 channels will fire together. Now let's fire 1 to 12 channels sequentially by 0.5 seconds. Turn on the power button. Move the key to fire position. Pressing rapid button. Okay, 1 to 12 channels, 5 sequentially. Adjusted the sequential time to 0.1 second. Turn on 30 to 24 channels, pressing rapid button.
Okay.
The rest channels will sequential fire by 0.1 second. The transmitter has memory function. Look at the video. If you pressing button 1, the light will get red. And pressing 1 by 1, the light will get red. Now you can remember which channel already fired and which channel need to fire. Okay.